Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install Metapixel on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. So once here, go to the bottom and then here you're going to find settings. Go ahead and give it a click, and then here you're going to find all of the settings related to your Wix site. So what you need to do guys right now is scroll all the way down until you find advanced. Here under advanced, you're going to find custom code, headless settings, and marketing integrations. So go ahead and click on marketing integrations, and then you're going to be taken here. So once you're here, you're going to find all of these tools to make your marketing more effective. So right here, you're going to find Meta, Pixel, and CAPI, track conversions and measure the success of Facebook campaigns. So if you want to connect it, just click on connect and then make sure you connect your Facebook account and so on. And then you're going to be able to link it to your Wix site. If you don't have a premium plan on your site, you need to upgrade also your plan. As you can see guys right here, upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect Metapixel and CAPI. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.